So hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another brand new video. And in today's video I'll be showing you this really amazing abstract home screen setup. So this setup is consists of two pages, one with a normal feed and one with the calendar. So if you are interested in getting this setup on your device too, then do watch the video till the end. And this is my suggestion that do watch the kwgt guide video on my channel so you can get more clarity about these home screen setups. And if you are new to the channel, then just hit the subscribe button as I keeps on creating more such videos like this every week. And without any further delay, let's begin the video. So firstly, you have to download all the required files, application and the wallpaper, whose links are given in the description box below, so do check it out. And after downloading all the required files and application and wallpaper, you have to open the Nova launcher, tap on backup and restore, then tap on restore and select the abstract theme file which we have downloaded through the description box below. After selecting, press OK, and then you will get the similar layout on your home screen also, which is showing on my home screen here. So now the launcher work is done. Now it's time to apply the widgets. So second step is to apply the widget. So tap on the highlighted space on your home screen like me. Then go to the install pack and select the Minimalism kwgt pack. In this, try to find the widget minimal023 and select and save it, as I do. You can also change some stuff in these widgets as per your choices. And when it comes to applying the second widget on the second space, we have to apply it in a similar manner. So just go to the second page, tap on the highlighted space, then you will go to the kwgt application, then select the sugar cubes kwgt in the install packs, and here try to find out the widget called as sugar44, then select it and save it. Now most of the setup is complete and only one step is remaining, that is to apply icon. So to apply the icon, tap and hold your home screen for a few seconds, then tap on Nova setting. Now in Nova setting, select the look and feel option, and in look and feel option, select the icon theme and select as delta icons. These icons were also shown in my earlier video about the best icons, so you can check that video after this video. And finally, now we are completed with this setup. So that's it for this video. In this video I tried my best to show you how you can get this really amazing abstract home screen setup on your device too. So if you enjoyed this video or found this video useful, then do hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then just hit the subscribe button so you never miss any of the videos from this channel. You can also share this video with your friends so they can also get this really amazing abstract home screen setup. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and peace out.